In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your portfolio to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're a designer showcasing your projects, a student building your professional presence, or you simply want recruiters to see your best work instantly, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn profile and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on your homepage, click on your profile picture to go directly to your profile page. This is where all of your main sections about experience, skills, and more are displayed. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, scroll down a little until you find the Add Profile section button. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear with multiple categories, but for adding a portfolio, you'll want to look under the Recommended section. Here you'll find an option called Add Featured. This is where LinkedIn allows you to highlight your best work. Click on that, and then press the plus icon to open the upload options. Now click on Add Media. This is where you can upload photos, documents, videos, or even links to your portfolio website. If your portfolio is a collection of images, choose the picture files you want to showcase. If it's an external website, simply paste the link. LinkedIn will automatically generate a preview, which makes your portfolio look professional right away. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your media files are high quality, double-check your portfolio link, and keep your titles clear and professional. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues with formatting. Once your file or link is uploaded, you'll see fields where you can edit the title and description. This is your chance to label it clearly something like My Portfolio or UX Design Projects. Add a brief description if you want to explain what viewers will find. After that, click Save and LinkedIn will instantly place it inside your featured section. At this point, you should scroll through your profile to make sure everything looks good. Your portfolio should now appear front and center, making it easy for employers, clients, and networking connections to explore your work. It's also a good idea to refresh the page and view your profile from another device to make sure your media displays correctly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add your portfolio to LinkedIn easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?